Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. That feeling when you stand up and your legs feel heavy, that's not just age, it's a silent muscle thief called sarcopenia, and after 40, it's stealing your strength every single day. But what if you could fight back without a single squat? What if the real secret was already in your kitchen? It starts quietly. Standing up from a chair feels harder. Climbing stairs leaves you winded, carrying groceries becomes a chore. This gradual weakness isn't a life sentence, it's a problem with a solution. After 60, muscle loss speeds up, threatening your stability and independence. But here's the powerful truth. You can start rebuilding your strength right at your kitchen table. While movement is crucial, what you eat is the fuel that makes your muscles grow stronger. In this video, we're counting down 7 powerful science-backed foods that can help restore muscle strength and protect your bones. Stick around until the end, because the #1 food is something you should consider having every single day for stronger legs and a more stable, confident life. If you're excited to reclaim your strength, subscribe to our channel and let us know where you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's begin. Starting our countdown at number 7 are almonds and walnuts. Don't underestimate these humble nuts. They are tiny treasure chests filled with nutrients for your muscle health. Think of them as a source of high-quality plant-based protein, the essential building blocks for muscle repair. But their benefits go much deeper. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles contract and your nerves function properly. If you've ever suffered from those frustrating leg cramps at night, a lack of magnesium could be a contributor. Even better, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce the chronic inflammation that can stop your muscles from recovering and growing. A small handful a day is a perfect start. Coming in at number 6 is the wonderfully versatile avocado. For years, fat was unfairly villainized, but we now know healthy fats are absolutely essential, especially as we age. As we get older, stiffness often creeps in. Much of this comes from inflammation. Avocados fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats that calm inflammation and protect your muscle tissue. That means less stiffness and more freedom to move. Plus, avocados are loaded with potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium is critical for making sure your nerves and muscles are communicating properly, preventing that feeling of weakness or cramping. At number 5 is a powerhouse vegetable, broccoli. Your bones and muscles work as a team. Strong muscles need a strong frame to support them, and that's where broccoli shines. Broccoli is packed with calcium and vitamin K. We always think of dairy for calcium, but green vegetables like broccoli are an excellent source. Vitamin K acts like a traffic director, helping that calcium get into your bones where it belongs. But broccoli supports your muscles directly too. It's a fantastic source of vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the protein that forms the connective tissues in your joints and muscles, helping everything stay flexible and resilient. Our number 4 food is the vibrant and delicious sweet potato. When it comes to keeping your legs strong, energy is everything. Sweet potatoes deliver lasting power that fuels your muscles for hours. As we age, our muscles don't use energy as efficiently. That's why simple tasks start to feel harder. Packed with complex carbohydrates, they provide steady fuel without blood sugar spikes. They are also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene. These help combat the inflammation that naturally occurs after physical activity, even just a simple walk. This helps your muscles recover more efficiently, so you feel less sore and are ready to be active again sooner. Coming up, number 3, salmon. Swimming into our number 3 spot is fatty fish, especially salmon. If you are serious about rebuilding muscle, salmon should be on your menu. Every time you stand or walk, your leg muscles carry your entire body weight. With age, your body's ability to rebuild those muscles slows down. That's where salmon comes in. It's packed with high-quality protein, giving your muscles the raw materials they need to repair and stay firm. But the real secret is its omega-3 fatty acids. Studies suggest that omega-3s can help make the muscle-building process more efficient in older adults. They also boost circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. You don't need it every day. Just 2 servings a week can make a real difference. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please give it a like and subscribe for more life-changing tips. How's your health been lately? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Cracking our way into the number 2 spot is the humble egg. Small, simple, and affordable, each one holds a complete package of nutrients your muscles depend on. As we age, we lose muscle faster than we rebuild it. Eggs fight that directly. They provide high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Crucially, eggs are rich in an amino acid called leucine, which acts like a spark plug for muscle growth, sending a direct signal to start the rebuilding process. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient many seniors are low in. Low vitamin D can cause muscle weakness, fatigue, and balance problems. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day is enough. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 food we recommend for stronger legs, better balance, and renewed confidence is Greek yogurt. Why does it get the top spot? It comes down to a powerful combination of 3 things: protein density, bone support, and absorption. First, the protein. Ounce for ounce, plain Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt. This protein is especially rich in casein, which is a slow-digesting protein. This provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles over several hours, which is incredibly effective at preventing muscle breakdown between meals. Second, Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of calcium, which is non-negotiable for keeping your bones strong. A strong frame is the foundation for strong muscles. Finally, and this is crucial, plain Greek yogurt contains probiotics. These healthy bacteria support your gut, which is essential for properly digesting your food and absorbing all these amazing nutrients. You can eat all the protein in the world, but if your body can't absorb it, it won't do your muscles any good. So there you have it. Now I know that's a lot, 7 new foods, so don't try to do it all at once. Here's your simple plan. This week, just focus on 2. Maybe it's adding a handful of walnuts to your oatmeal and having eggs for breakfast. Next week, add salmon for dinner twice. The week after, introduce Greek yogurt as your daily snack. Small, consistent steps build unshakable strength. This isn't a diet, it's your new lifestyle for independence. Keep going, small steps build strength. And one more question we hear often. Do I need exercise for these results? Yes, but it doesn't have to be strenuous. Light movement, like short walks or simple chair exercises, activates your muscles and helps these nutrients work faster. Remember, nutrition fuels your body, but movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out. The information shared here is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. Your safety and well-being come first. Your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent. Now that you know which foods fuel strong, steady legs, don't stop there. The real magic happens when you pair these foods with the right movements. In my next video, I'll show you a few daily exercises that work even better than walking. And trust me, you'll want to start them right away.